Hi fellas, this is a really short one. Oh god, how bad's my memory? I tell you, I've just done a video and I forgot to mention, I thought of something and I forgot to mention it. Right, so here's this is our soldering tip. Here's our two wires coming from our soldering tip, and here's my two connections to my multimeter. And what do we have on my multimeter? We have temperature. Oh my god. So let's unplug this and plug it into here. Turn this round to temperature. Oh, and look, we've got degrees C. Let's get the light off that. Right, degree C. Get my rocket engine fired up. And let's heat up the soldering iron. Tip. Oh look, we've got our temperature. Sorry guys, I should have put this at the beginning of the last video, but I thought it was worth showing, so I have I've made a little video of it on its own. There you go. Thermocouple, that's what you plug into your meter to get the temperature, so you can plug your meter into your plug your meter into your soldering tip and get the temperature. How's that? How simple could that be? I'm sorry, I forgot all about it. Anyway, short video, just thought I'd better show it. Hope you found that interesting. Catch you later, guys.